Are you tired of the annoying "call recording is restricted" message on your Samsung? Do you want to record calls natively with no beeps and no alert messages? In this video, I will show you the ultimate solution. We are changing the CSC on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G to unlock the native silent call recording feature. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, let's confirm the device we are working with. We have the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, model number A576B. Currently, the device is running on Android 16, and the active CSC code is PKD. This specific CSC blocks call recording natively, so we need to change it to a region that supports it. Now let's prepare the phone. Go into Developer Options and enable USB Debugging. This is crucial for the tool to communicate with the device. Also, you must disable the Auto Blocker feature in the security settings. If you don't do this, the tool will fail to write the new CSC.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of
To get started, we need the right tools. Head over to gsm6.com. First, download the latest Samsung USB drivers compatible with Android 16 to ensure your PC recognizes the phone.
free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Next, download the Samsung CSC Changer Tool from the same website. I will leave the direct download links in the description below to make this easier for you.
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
Connect your device to the PC and launch the Samsung CSC Changer Tool. The tool will detect your phone immediately. Now, select the desired CSC code. You will see all the available CSC codes for your phone here. If a CSC code enables call recording, you will see a dialer icon, which means that CSC will enable stock Samsung Galaxy Dialer app that contains call recording feature. If a CSC has Samsung Pay icon, that means that will enable Samsung Pay. I am using EGY, which natively supports call recording. Click Change CSC. The tool will work its magic and prompt the device to reboot. Do not disconnect the device during this process. Important: keep the phone screen active while changing CSC. Once the phone boots up, let's verify the changes. Now, the moment of truth. Open the phone app, go to Call Settings, and look here. You will now see the Record Calls option. There is no notification alert, no beeping sound. It is completely silent and native. Go back to About Phone. You will see the new CSC is now active. Before you start using this, let's secure your device. Now that the CSC is changed, go back to Developer Options and turn off USB debugging. It is best practice to turn off developer options entirely to prevent security vulnerabilities. Finally, make sure you re-enable your auto blocker to keep your device protected. And that is how you enable silent, native call recording on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G without rooting. If this guide worked for you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if it worked for your device. Thanks for watching.